In this lesson, we keep going with the LinkedIn account section in the dashboard. Remember that in the bottom card, we have the LinkedIn account section here. Now simply what we want to do here is allow user to verify their Facebook account by creating a button to connect to Facebook. Now once it's done, we're going to say Facebook verified, things like that. Now let's go back to our project. First, I want you to open the dashboard. I click F, views, users, and dashboard. Now let's close it. Avatar, upload button, member, the from, online status, right? And for the about, yeah, we actually haven't done the testing for the about and language. All right, so we're gonna do that in a bit, but first let's keep going with the linked account. Okay, so here, what I'm going to do, first we're going to create a new div. Well, actually, I can't copy from up here. So we go to media. Oh no, that's okay. We can create div with it class content, and inside that we just create a new p. All right. So here, just create strong, and we say linked account. Make a break, and down here, we're going to check if the current user dot UID. That means you do have the access token from Facebook. Then we can do something. Otherwise, we do something else. All right. So the first case, we're going to display the span that had text success. All right, and here we say Facebook verified. All right. Otherwise, to connect to Facebook, and we say connect to Facebook. And for the path, it's gonna be user Facebook omni authorized path, exactly the same as the one that we did in the registration and login page. So here for the class, we say has text danger. Now one more thing, let's change our user model a little bit. Now as we know, once you click on the Facebook authorize, it will execute the model user this function. Now previously we just check if the user is already created, then return the user. But now we need to add one more step to update the Facebook details, even if a user is already created in the database. So what we want to do here, if the user exists in the database, yes, we want to check if the user.uid, or you can check the provider, that's fine. If the provider is not exists, then we're going to check if we're going to update user UID auth.uid, and then provider, it's going to be auth.provider. And also we're going to update the image as well, which is auth.info.image. All right. And okay, so what's happening right now is that even if you can find that user with the same email, if right now they want to connect to Facebook, we're going to say if that user doesn't have a provider Facebook, then we're going to update UID, which is access token, provider, which is Facebook, and the image, which is the avatar from Facebook. All right, hit save. Now, what I want you to do is that let's open the database and let's open the user. We know that this user, which is on demo.codeforstart@gmail.com, which is my demo account for Facebook, we know that it's already signed up with Facebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this, remove, double click, remove, and double click on this and delete. Now also because this password is generated by device randomly, all right, so I don't know, I have no idea what it is. For you to be able to test it, let's delete it, and instead we're going to up here copy the encrypted password and paste it here, hit enter and hit save change, because I know for sure this email this encrypted password is for the password 123456. All right, so we can test it. All right, now let's go back here, hit maybe we just log out, and I'm going to the login page, and now I'm going to log in with demo, and for the password it's going to be 123456. Hit login. Hey, look at this. So I just log in at Tony Stack. All right, because I don't have the Facebook provider, so that's why it just display the default avatar. Now if I want, I can connect to Facebook. Hey, successfully authenticate from Facebook account, and also it just get me the avatar from Facebook, which is awesome. And again, it's gonna say Facebook verified. Beautiful. Now before you go, let's check and see if our phone's working properly. Let's start with this one. If I click on here, and I'm gonna pass the United States and hit save. Hey, it says saved, and now we say United States. Awesome. Say offline. I'm gonna check online. Hit save. Yeah, it say online. That's great. And for the about, I'm gonna say I am Iron Man. Yeah, display Iron Man. So this one English. Save. Beautiful. So our phone's working perfectly. One more thing I want you to test, because right now we already got the avatar from Facebook. What happens if you upload your own avatar? If you hit upload avatar, and I'll just click on this avatar, upload. Hey, so it just replaced the avatar from Facebook. This is because if you go into the user.rb, go into the helper application, so avatar, we get this one is a first priority. If you don't see this one, then you just display the Facebook avatar. Alright, it's perfect. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.